Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2007 Harley-Davidson Heritage SOFTAIL Classic. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2007 Harley-Davidson Heritage SOFTAIL Classic with 50,122 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a Vance & Hines exhaust, an open stage 1 intake, an intake cover, timing cover, primary cover, turn signal and tail light visors, axle caps, aftermarket grips, an engine guard, a windshield pouch, and a luggage rack. Powered by a 96 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Heritage puts 92 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 5-gallon fuel capacity, the Heritage has a 150 to 200 mile range. It has a 25.4 inch seat height and a 699 pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 430 seconds, and the rear at 230 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician noted a light front brake pulsation that is only felt at slower speeds under light braking conditions. Additionally, the lighter is not functioning. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches on the front fender and a scratch on the mirror case and stem. This bike has 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.